Hello, my name is Shubham Jain. I'm from PGDM Batch 24-26, currently pursuing marketing and HR. The time here has been truly rewarding for me, both personally and professionally. The college has helped me gain confidence, improve my skills for real-world challenges with its practical learning approach and expert guidance. One of the most unique opportunities at Lexicon is the Life project, which currently I'm a part of. I'm working with a company called Sita Beauty as a product developer. This real-world experience allows me to apply what I learned in college, strengthening my profile and making it more valuable. A memorable part of my journey at Lexicon is participating in workshops, events, and competitions, which allows me to go beyond classroom learning and put my knowledge into practice. What makes Lexicon MILE special to me is its supportive environment and focus on holistic development. Lexicon MILE doesn't just focus on academics, it ensures we grow as individuals ready for the corporate world. I'm truly grateful to be a part of this incredible journey.